We'll guide you through how to make a landing page with Google Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by opening the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Next, search for Google Chrome in the provided search bar. When the results appear, launch the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, access Google Docs by typing it into the address bar and pressing Enter. From the results page, click on the official Google Docs website link. After the page loads, log into your account to reach the Google Docs home feed. From here, you may start a blank document or choose an existing document example. For this demonstration, we will open a project from recent documents. Your selected document will open immediately on the screen. Before turning your file into a landing page, refine your document's appearance to ensure it looks clean and organized. To add a link to a specific section, highlight the text or sentence you want to use. Then click Insert Link, which is represented by a chain icon. A small input field will appear. Type the destination URL you wish to include, so users are directed there upon clicking. After entering the link, click Apply to confirm the action. Next, click the File menu at the top of the document. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. From this list, select Download, and an extended menu will appear showing different file formats. Choose PDF document from the available options to convert your file. Your landing page file will download automatically to your device. Locate the file in your selected save destination and open it to review the final result. You have successfully created a landing page using Google Docs, complete with active links inside that allow easy navigation for readers. Take a moment to scroll through the document and check that all links function correctly when clicked. If needed, return to the document editor and make adjustments to improve clarity and flow. You can also update text formatting, spacing, or alignment to enhance readability. Once satisfied, repeat the download process to generate an updated PDF version. This ensures your landing page remains professional and ready to share with others online or offline as needed. This simple method helps you present information clearly and effectively for any audience.